In this video, you will learn how to remove payees on HSBC's app. First, open the HSBC app, launch the HSBC mobile app on your device and log in using your credentials. Then, navigate to the Payments section. Tap on Payments tab located at the bottom of the screen. Access Manage Payees. Within the Payments section, select Manage Payees or Payees to view the list of saved payees. Then, select the payee to delete. Scroll through your list or use the search functionality to find the payee you wish to remove. Then, delete the payee. Tap on the payee's name and open their details. Look for the delete option, usually represented by a trash icon. Then confirm the deletion when prompted. Verify deletion. After deletion, you can return to the Manage Payee section to ensure the payee has been removed from your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.